recipe. And this recipe is called chicken korokke. In Japanese, it is called korokke. Chicken korokke. So, with no more further ado, let's start cooking. Look at this, guys. Isn't it nice? So, let's taste. Okay. This one. Okay. I'm gonna dip in. I'm gonna dip. This is our sauce. Ketchup. See? Itadakimasu. It's korokke. Good. Yummy. I hope that you will like our recipe. Just give it a try, guys. Surely you will love it. Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Matane!